Hi, my name is Megan Kavanaugh and I am the Executive Editor of Home and Labs here at Reviewed. And today we're going to be talking about Home Chef, which is not only the best meal kit delivery service we've tested, it's also my personal favorite. I have been cooking with Home Chef for about 2 years at about 4 meals a week, so I think I'm kind of a pro and I love it. Here's why. So what is Home Chef? It is a meal kit delivery service that gets everything you need to cook your dinners shipped directly to your door. Meals come pre-packaged in individual portion sizes for your specific meal, and they also come with a handy recipe card that has all the instructions you need right on the back, telling you every step and even showing pictures if you're not sure. And it's awesome because you can eliminate trips to the grocery store and having to meal plan, and everything gets shipped directly to you, nice and fresh, never frozen, and you can still cook, which is fun. Home Chef offers more than 20 individual meal options per week. And while there are always standards like a taco or a rice bowl, the meals themselves are hardly ever the same, so you can always know that you're getting something different. There are currently 7 major categories of meals to choose from. There are the standard meal kits, 15-minute meal kits, fast and fresh, oven ready, grill ready, family meal, and the culinary collection. Home Chef also stocks pre-made breakfast, salad, pizza, snack, and bread options that can help fill your pantry and save you a trip to the grocery store. And there's even an option to bulk purchase meat, poultry, and seafood in its protein packs. Pricing for Home Chef completely varies based on the meals that you choose and the number of portions you choose for each. So a classic meal kit option might start at something like $8.99 per serving, where a family meal, which can serve up to 4 people, could be something like $6.99 per serving. And if you opt for the culinary collection, which uses at times higher quality ingredients, the cost can be something like $14 per serving. Each week, I typically order 4 meals, 2 servings per meal. And that works out from anywhere to $55 total to $94 total. Most of the time, I spend about $75 a week, which works out to about $9 per person per meal, which isn't too bad. So one of my favorite things about Home Chef is that I don't have to worry about meal planning throughout the week. Whether it was during the pandemic when I was trying to limit my grocery trips, or even now when I'm just trying to not spend hours at the store, I love that I can go online, pick my meals, and they get delivered to me right to my door. There's a great variety every week. I'm never eating the same thing twice. The ingredients themselves are always really, really fresh, which I appreciate. I never feel like this is food that's been shipped to me in the mail. It always feels like things that I went out and picked with my own 2 hands at the store, at a farmer's market, but I don't have to use any of my own brain power to figure out what to buy or what to use it with. I just get the ingredients shipped to me and I still get to really enjoy the cooking aspect, which is fun. In the 2 years that I've been cooking with Home Chef, I really have had very few issues with the service in general. There's only been a couple times that ingredients might be swapped due to supply chain issues, but customer service is always really helpful. There was one time that I got beef instead of salmon, and not only did they refund me for the cost of the salmon, they actually refunded the entire order, which was really generous considering I just popped down to the store and picked some up myself. So obviously I am a big fan of Home Chef, but there are still a couple things I wish I could change. One of those is that the delivery times themselves aren't always consistent. I always get my meals delivered on a Monday, but that could be Monday at noon or Monday at 8 p.m. And even though there's tracking information available, it's not always helpful to have your dinner arrive at 8 p.m. when you still have to cook it. So I wish there was a way to get a time that you knew it was going to show up. Another thing that I don't love is that there is a lot of packaging involved in every one of these boxes. Because everything is individually packaged, sometimes it's just a lot of plastic, and most of it is recyclable, but it still feels like a lot of waste. Contributing to some of that waste is the fact that Home Chef includes things like tiny packets of sriracha or little packets of soy sauce in its meal kits, when those are things that a lot of people have in their fridges or pantries already. So I think that they could probably avoid that by just relying on people to have that at their home. The same way that they do with olive oil and salt and pepper, which are never included in a box and always just instructed to use what you have at home. So is Home Chef worth it? I definitely think so. I have really loved using this service. Not having to plan my own meals aside from choosing them on an app, while still getting to cook them every night, has been really fun, and it's a way for me to learn new cooking techniques, try new ingredients, and end up with a lot of fun recipe cards at the end of it that I can use to make things on my own in the future. Ingredients are super high quality, and on a Tuesday night, I'm having a delicious salmon dinner, which is not what would normally be happening if I didn't use Home Chef. It would probably be something boring, something chicken related. So I'm really excited that Home Chef allows me to make really cool, interesting dishes on a random weeknight. Before Home Chef, cooking, meal planning, and grocery shopping really stressed me out. And it's turned what was once a stressful activity into something that's actually fun and that I actually look forward to doing every day, and that's worth its weight in gold. So I'm really excited to use Home Chef and tell you more about it. So if you are looking for even more information, head to review.com and check out our review. Thanks for watching.